Hello YouTubers, and welcome to Best 5 Sellers TV, where we show you the best 5 selling products everywhere. Here are the 5 best selling books in architecture. 1. My Hygge Home: How to Make Home Your Happy Place. This is an exquisite manual on the Danish art of furnishing a comfortable, contented house from Meg Wicken, an internationally popular author. When we close the door to our houses, we should feel protected and at ease, a place where we can be ourselves, unwind, and make treasured memories. This stunning new book by Meg Wicken reveals how to create a sanctuary in your house and live like the world's happiest people. It is inspired by Danish design and traditions. This book explains what makes a happy home function, with straightforward suggestions based on recent research from the Happiness Institute in Copenhagen. Meg demonstrates how you can use color, light, and space to create your happy place and celebrate coziness the Danish way, regardless of how much space you have or how much money you have to spend. 2. Eat, Drink, Nap: Bringing the House Home. This book has gained some insight into what functions since the original Soho House first opened its doors more than 25 years ago. According to its experts, Soho House style is modern, international, yet with a distinctly English and cozy quality at its core, bringing the Soho House style insight from designing a space to finding old items. Tips from the curator of our house on where to find, acquire, and hang artwork, how to create the ideal bedroom, the art of a good night's sleep. Here are some easy recipes and cooking advice for your favorite house cuisine. Inside Babington, a look at how we live in a country house. Welly is not required. Poolside style and flip-flop glamour from Soho House, Miami Beach. House tonics and bartender tips. All the cocktail hour insider information. Home spa treatments, homemade facials, and brownies with chocolates. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you like this type of content. 3. The History of the World in Bite-Sized Chunks. It is uncommon to find all about history in all one book because it's such a rich, interesting subject. That is, until now. From the world's first civilization in 3500 BC to the creation of the United Nations in 1945, the history of the world in bite-sized chunks weaves it all together, passing past figures like Charlemagne, the Ottoman Empire, and the Crimean War, to mention a few. This is your chance to become familiar with the entirety of human history and learn how the present world came to be. 4. Feng Shui Modern. How do you arrange your bed in a tight space? How can your surroundings make you more attentive and effective? How should your bedroom be decorated to prepare you for passionate love? Answering these concerns is crucial now more than ever because of the enormous influence our houses have on our wellness. Cliff Tan, a TikTok phenomenon and home design specialist, is fortunately here to help. With his videos explaining the fundamentals of Feng Shui, from Qi energy to the command posture, Cliff has become a household name on the internet. Now, for the first time, Cliff has compiled his knowledge into a book. In Feng Shui Modern, Cliff first teaches the fundamentals of Feng Shui before demonstrating room by room how to make the most of any setting with our own styles, color, schemes, and furnishings. Cliff provides you with the knowledge and skills necessary to implement Feng Shui for yourself, whether you are in a 5-bedroom house or a dorm. No space is too difficult, and no issue is too complex for Feng Shui to solve as long as you grasp the rationale. Feng Shui Modern assists us in finding harmony in every area of our lives, starting with the place where we live, from selecting a home to refurbishing worn-out spaces. 5. The Interior Design Handbook. The top interior design blog in Scandinavia is operated by design consultant Frida Ramstedt. She reveals the techniques of effective interior styling in this book to assist you in making a home that fits your needs, preferences, and lifestyle. The Interior Design Handbook will teach you how to think like a skilled designer by providing you with tons of useful advice, rules of thumb, and insider secrets. We have also compiled a list of other bestsellers in this category. 6. Under One Roof. With Samantha's warmth, humor, and understanding, three strong women's family stalemates are resolved in this compelling novel. It's a heartwarming tale of family conflicts and reconciliation spanning 3 generations, with plenty of delightful 80s nostalgia. Three women's lives will be forever altered by a forgotten revelation. For several years, Robin hasn't returned home. She never thought she'd see her haughty mother Faye again after fleeing to London. But the two women are brought back together when Faye slips and falls. The distance between them is unstable, and the years of separation haven't made their hearts grow closer. The last of the treasure expeditions her much-missed father used to lead them on every Sunday is then discovered by Robin in the form of an unopened scroll. He had hoped that the hunt would alter everything, however, until Robin's daughter Amber shows in to see her grandmother for the first time. Not even this present from her adored father can make things easier. Amber is adamant that the long-standing mystery be cleared out. 7. Live Beautiful. Beautiful design enhances our lives in many ways than just aesthetics. It supports the customs, rites, and rituals we develop in our homes. In her much-awaited design book, Live Beautiful, iSwoon founder Athena Calderon reveals how meticulously designed rooms come together by drawing on her network of fashion designers, interior decorators, and tastemakers. She also unlocks the entrances to 2 of our own homes. Calderon discusses the highly personal themes, tales, and references that went along with each homeowner's design journey, as well as the initial inspiration that sparked it. She then deconstructs the room specifics, such as layer textures and patterns, gathered items, and personalized vignettes, and provides practical pointers and suggestions for incorporating these elevated components into your own space. Live Beautiful is both a showcase of excellent design and a manual for building a home that is distinctive and well thought out, and it is replete with stunning photography by Nicole Franzen. 8. The House Builder's Bible 14th edition. The House Builder's Bible has been popular among the army of self-builders and renovators in the UK for more than 25 years. The manual by Mark Brinkley mixes building codes, planning principles, and trade prices with in-depth analysis of how and why we choose to construct in the manner that we do, and how we might improve. Brinkley uses his 40 years of expertise to present the principles of excellent design and construction in a way that is easy to understand. Photographs, graphics, and tables are used to highlight important sections. This edition delves deeply into the significant changes that our heating and home construction will soon go through in order to get us ready for a world without carbon emissions. The House Builder's Bible is by far and away the best-selling manual in its industry, with over 200,000 copies sold. Self-builders, house renovators, architects, contractors, surveyors, and real estate brokers all read it. Many now utilize it as their main source of reference for forthcoming construction projects. 9. The Home Edit Life, a complete guide to organizing absolutely everything at work, at home, and on the go. To add beauty and use to your daily life, Clea Shearer and Joanna Teplin are back. They demonstrate how to control chaos in the home edit life for everything, including work, travel, children, pets, and more. Because in actuality, you don't have to have a basic lifestyle to be content and at ease. Embracing your life, whether you are a busy mom, a traveler, or both, is at the heart of the home edit philosophy. Simply knowing how to build up a system that works for you will ensure that you keep it up over time. Learn your organizational style, how to modify it to fit your habits, and most importantly, stop feeling guilty about owning things. With the Home Edit Life, you can organize your phone apps by color, corral your wires, archive your images, pack your suitcase like a pro, and more. 10. Architectural Digest at 100, a century of style. For the magazine's 100th anniversary, a rich visual history of Architectural Digest was produced. The top content from the pages of the renowned worldwide design journal is honored in Architectural Digest at 100. The editors combed through years' worth of valuable content on a variety of topics and selected their favorites. The book features the private residences of numerous famous people, including Barack and Michelle Obama, David Bowie, Truman Capote, David Hockney, Michael Kors, and Diana Vreeland. It also includes the work of renowned designers and architects, including Oscar Niemeyer, Axel Vervoort, Frank Gehry, David Hicks, India Madhavi, Peter Marino, John Fowler, Renzo Mongiardino, and Frank Lloyd Wright. Gorgeous photos from the magazine's past taken by photographers like Bill Cunningham, Horst P. Hearst, Simon Upton, Franco Deschinger, Franco Hallard, Julius Schulman, and Obato Gili are also included. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more bestsellers. Have a wonderful day.